Good day everyone. This video I will explain about the structure of the organelles, which is chloroplast, and also its function. Okay, so chloroplast, as you guys know, chloroplast is only found in the plant cell only. Animal cell does not contain chloroplast one. Only the plant cell containing chloroplast. So this is the structure of chloroplast. You can see here. So it is the biconvex circular shape, and there are also double membrane organelles. So this is the third double membrane organelle. So there are altogether 3 double membrane organelles. Nucleus. First one is nucleus. Second one is mitochondria, and the final one, third one is chloroplast. Only these 3 organelles are double membrane bonded, meaning that there are 2 layers. The membrane is containing 2 layer one. And then inside the chloroplast, you can see this structure. There are many components, right? So inside the chloroplast, you can see there are the green color. All these green color one we call as granum or grana, singular and plural lah. Granum is singular, grana is plural. And then the surface of all the inner surface, the surrounding part of the chloroplast is we call as stroma. Stroma like this. You can see the yellow part, the inner part, the outside part of the granum lah. All that is we call as stroma. So you see this diagram more easy. All this black color, the gray color one is we call as stroma. And then within the grana, they are containing many thylakoid. This one we call as thylakoid. You can see there are many layers, right? There are many circle, many cylinder shape as well. And each of the circular shape or sphere is we call as thylakoid. And chloroplast also containing own DNA and also own 70S ribosome. So this is similar to mitochondria. And lamella is suspended in the stroma. Okay. So lamella consists of many flattened disc-like and flute-like cells is we call as thylakoid like this. Instead of thylakoid will form the grana, of course. And grana is connected with the another by intergrana lamella. So you can see this diagram. You can see the thylakoid is interconnected to each other, right? So this one we call as intergrana lamella. The structure for this is we call as intergrana lamella. And there are also the chlorophyll pigment. You know that chloroplast play the major role in photosynthesis, right? So chlorophyll pigment is found within the thylakoid within here. Okay. So the function of the chloroplast, I think I don't need to talk much. It plays the major role through photosynthesis, where the oxygen is produced and produce the glucose molecule. And I think photosynthesis mechanism you already learned in SPM. You got 2 reactions, right? Light reaction and also dark reaction. But in SPM, you not learn very detailed. I can say you not learn very detailed. In STPM, the last chapter of this semester 1, chapter 6, one chapter for photosynthesis. So if you want to learn about more detail about this, you can refer to that video, chapter 6 video lah. Okay, so for now, chloroplast is the function that produce organic compound like glucose through photosynthesis, and they are also can store excess starch produced from photosynthesis. And the major one is they can carry out light reaction and dark reaction, which is light dependent reaction and dark independent reaction. The similar terms are light dependent is light reaction, light independent reaction is dark reaction. So normally your light reaction is occur in the thylakoid within the granum part at here, this black color. And your stroma, the surrounding one, the gray color one, is the place where the light independent reaction occur. So For now, I don't need to explain much. So when you learn about the photosynthesis chapter, so like you can explain more about function of chloroplast. In exam, you not just explain about the, but in exam, explain the function of chloroplast. You cannot say like that on it. You need to elaborate more, especially these two. So yeah, once you already learn in chapter 6 photosynthesis, later you know how to explore. Okay, so that's all for the structure of chloroplast and function. So hopefully you guys can understand. If you not understand, you can refer to the photosynthesis video. So thank you for watching. Bye.